Yo. What's good? Back with another banger reaction. You see what me I deal today, gang. Yo, gang, just a couple minutes ago, one of my subscribers, one of the Dan Mafia members, sent me this message right here on IG. And it was a post, gang. It was a post from Demarco himself exposing, saying that, yo, Kyodi, me find your ghostwriter. You feel me? And it was this artist by the name of Khapital, I guess. You see me? And Khapital also went ahead and dropped this track. It was a post of Khapital page with a track entitled Ghostwriter, yo. And yo, people, this is crazy, man. This is crazy, cause if this true, this is crazy exposure. Go on, Demarco really run Kyodi file, bro. You see me? I mean, I don't know if an artist with a ghostwriter can win a clash, in my opinion, in a gang. You see me? So this is very interesting. I want to check it out and see, yo. I want to check it out and see if it's actually true. Exactly, I go on. You see me? The post said, said, yo, Batty boy Kyodi, we find a ghostwriter at one Khapital. People listen to the song. We have the voice notes them also. Go check out Khapital music in body of her. Yo, people, yo, this is crazy thing getting revealed in this clash, man. But we're not gonna be vibe much longer, gang. We're gonna check out it and see what I'm going exactly. We'll jump right now, okay? This is Khapital Ghostwriter. Let's get it.
Yo, kids, we just get this over with. Nah, them boy take up too much of the time, you see me? Dog, even though me never.
Yo, keys, man, could get this over. Wait, nah, make them boy take up too much of the time. Bombo clean. Yo, look on the cover, people. Look on the cover, the man have blow. This is who know the anime Death Note? Well, the man got the Death Note book with Shano and Kyodi book name in it. Shano and Kyodi name in it. I say, yo, can we see Kyodi post a picture with Shano on IG and I wonder if match I say, yo, Shano I next ghostwriter cause them followed. Oh, people, but anyway, no anybody name right now the Death Note if he dead, right? Jesus, let's see what's going on.
So me did I wonder how much envy that you got in the yard, so me go take too long for cut you off, so now you block me cause me not give you no song for this Demarco.
God, the man said me cut you off, so you block me too, me not give you no song for this Demarco. Oh wait, hold on, so Kyodi in the right thing tune them. No man, I have looked on Kyodi different from this man. Oh man.
Even though me never ask, so me did I wonder how much envy that you got in the yard, so me go take too long for cut you off, so now you block me cause me not give you no song for this Demarco.
Man say me take too long for cut you off, now you block me cause me no want give no song for this Demarco. Yo!
I don't be them but I know heaven this. Heaven never see nothing so devilish. Run up on the corner.
Man said them are dopey but I know heaven this. Heaven never see nothing so devilish. Yo!
Nothing so devilish. Run up on the corner, then me level it. He said up be all of them now. So
man to run up on your corner, level it. Release your dopey them. All of them.
Then corner, then me level it. He said up be all of them now. So lift it up and plant it on them. Take them title from them. All I see them pose up like a dan them. I get full up like when I'm been up them fans them.
Yo. The youth here go hard, you know. Bombo clean. So them bad artists say they are dog and them man they and Coyote I get the whole like credit when them man have the mad skills. Yo.
If you go know this like the man them make me sure.
No man. Man, run down bossy pan them. You not listen to the man flow, the man cadence, the man word, the man diction, everything. Listen to
them pose up like a dan them, I get full up like when I'm been up them fans them. If you go know this like the man them make me sure the road who did the right song them pussy think I know me know you fake. Just find the other mind your last card, you don't know your place. I know.
Oh God. Man I say yo, I'm gonna show the world how I write a song them. You see me? Yeah. Me just find out where you live, but you don't know your place.
Just song them pussy think I know me know you fake. Just find the yard and mind your last card, you don't know your place. I know the lay with the counteraction.
I said just find the yard, mind your last card, you don't know your place, my brother. You come bright up. You can face, you can rank up, you look pissing to yourself, man. You, hey, come
Like
on.
when I'm been up them fans, them I figure know this like the man, them make me show the road who did the right. Just
Some
some pussy think I know me know you're fake. Just find your yard and mind your last card, you don't know your place. I know the lay with the counteraction, action don't be late. Strike a
So after me label, hey, I'm saying this, you know, the counteraction, don't.
your yard and mind your last card, you don't know your place. I know the lay with the counteraction, action don't be late. Strike a for them.
Oh, man, so me know you're able to counteraction, action, don't be late. Don't be, come on.
Guys off of the bench, them never know the play. Anyway, no feel so pussy mouth, Kyodi safe. Him a getting jelly, fly out the place, then me buy out the case. All a fire in the sky, all on a
Man say, don't feel so pussy no Kyodi safe. Me a fly him bat. And then me buy out the case, brother. You see me, so me know me good, me not worry about nothing.
Kyodi safe. Him a getting jelly, fly out the place, then me buy out the case. All a fire in the sky, all on a cloudy day. You copy the style, you know me great.
Ball of fire, all on a cloudy day, brother. All on a cloudy that day, we light up it.
That is no debate. Wait, so stick how much is I tell me loud debate. But me say no, the crowd a wait and I right now the date. Without the cage, so butterfly from me run out the cage. Just for the amount of day, them money that work for them without the pay. See how you stay, you the
Man say, amount of day, man, I work for them without the pay. You see, hey, man, I say, yo, the reason why I do this, you know, dog. Not because I no rate it, because about amount of days me I work for them, brother, and they didn't pay me, dog. You never know. You never hear they say feed the dog, or them a go near me your food. Feed the dogs, or them a go near me your food.
from me run out the cage. Just for the amount of day, them money that work for them without the pay. See how you stay, you the pussy to know.
Yo, see Kyodi, my boy, man, forward up there, man, circle Kyodi foot. Yeah, Kyodi foot, I go, you know, no man link for the no song. Kyodi.
Yo, them not real for
Oh, mo. You hear that, dog? Vice note ha get leak. Man, I shout, man, I say, yo, man, you fire the car, Kyodi foot car, fight, man, dog. Me no want you give no man no song. For the car. I say, you know that car, dog?
Yeah, Kyodi foot, I go, you know, no man link for the no song. Kyodi.
yo, them not real for the sham them, bam them, take the title from them. All I see them pose up like a dan them, I get full up like when I'm been up them fans them, I forgot know this like.
You see them a pose up like a dan, them a go up like a dan. I want to know, man, come on. Come on,
The man them bet me show the road who did the right song. Them bet them never bright up again. Dark room, go for the night vision. Them full of jumbo to some different type of pan. Them get me mad, but swear to God them want to draw me down in a barrel like a crab. Them. You should have put some respect on my name. My bricks I take go jump a gauge.
Man says, yo, yeah, man, you should put some respect on the man name, man. The man give us be a bad tune and be a chang. You have to touch road and you not give man no credit, not even look up pay nothing.
You should have put some respect on my name. My lyrics I take go jump a gauge. When you dip on the lane, I want me right and give up on the page. I take up on the stage, I last up on the space. I beat the drum, them think a bands will play. No.
Oh, okay, man, say me right lyrics. Give up. That's the dog say, if you go do you gauge on this.
You should have put some respect on my name. My lyrics I take go jump a gauge. When you dip on the lane, I want me right.
Oh, my man, say my lyrics you take go trample gauge, bro. When you dip on the go on. Yo.
And give up on the page, I take up on the stage, I last up on the space, I beat the drum, them think a bands will play. No, it's a trigger finger, dip on the stage, I'm gonna go on the trade, no one.
When I say beat the drum, them things say bands will play. No, dog, I the trigger finger upon
For
the
afraid of rocket and grenade, for days, from 80 plenty more dip on the way, so she ever plan the raid, I'm gonna go tear down.
A man say, yo, I want to get the gun, she all and the grenade, and from Haiti more upon the way.
Rocket and grenade, for days, from 80 plenty more dip on the way, so she ever plan the raid, I'm gonna go tear down with them a congregate. Be brave, they know fit everything them up.
Man say, man, I go tear down with them a congregate, me brave. All I know I group up and I come together and I plan up, I come like say, yo, me go tear down the wall of that. I saw me brave. Up to them.
The clout mount of them what they son none no pass. Can't fist me down, me lift me gun, you coulda did run so fast. Them chopper and I ring no phone, them no
man's amount of test with motor test and none no pass. None.
none no pass. Can't fist me down, me lift me gun, you coulda did run so fast. Them chopper and I ring no phone, them no cut down no grass. So sim gun but him rock him nose and make it on go grass. Can't wait until them answer back, I'll know the fun no start come to pass.
Man say, can't wait for the answer back, you know. I'll know the fun no start. Come to class to go. Come and beat and teacher. Come on.
Get some enlightenment to them so dark. The running go park on every corner, just no run none off. Me know burn up squad, me know the go all of them and none no laugh. Yeah man, see them from them, take the title from them. All I see them pose up like a dan them, I get full up like when I'm been up them fans. Them I forgot know this like them and them bet me show the road.
Yeah man. Khapital. We man a chat, bro. We man a chat. And we wanna put them things together there. I can't say. Them man they don't know. Hey, yo, how them man they not get shine, bro.
Who did the write a song, then bet them never bright up again. Dark room, go for the night vision, them full of jumbo, but some different type of pan them. Get my mad, but swear to God, them want to draw me down in a barrel like a crab them. Cause them never rate the thing, them just want a ghostwriter. Realize I'm it.
They never rate the thing, then just want to draw me down and crab in a barrel. Cause they never rate them, they just want a ghostwriter, bro. They don't rate my skills and you know my bad. I go straight to the
me get the most fight for the longest while, man. I relax and I said won't fight back. But a full time, I make some fool know me no joke like that. No.
Man say a long time, I say long, man say relax. You nah fight back. But not full time, he make some fool say, yo, man, I hey, Khapital, room in the head, dog. Want to know Kyodi? I say, oh no, I say, yo, no. Remember, you know, Footer Hype and Kyodi say, no levels card now I'm playing at this. So that means a Kyodi have to answer back. Remember I know that. Footer Hype and Kyodi said no levels card. So now have to answer back. You see me have to answer Khapital. All I true the man I tell. And if I true the man I tell no ghost, no artist with ghostwriter can't win clash. That me I tell you for now. No artist with ghostwriter can't win clash. Me said that. No boy, not Footer Hype, not Kyodi. Not Demarco, not fully bad. No boy can say that. Jambisco say that. You see me? No boy with a ghostwriter can win no clash than Mafia. You see me? I say, remember we say that and make sure we make you boy them know. You see me? Yeah man gang, you don't know what time it is man. But why nice now? Why nice now gang? We need to know your opinion. You see me? I'm fling up the video right now. We need to know your opinion. Drop in the comments down below. Who not bringing the war? One thing about this ghostwriter thing real. Yeah, I think but yo man hard this Khapital bad, Khapital trash. Let me know and think all of this. So one thing about all this situation, ghostwriter. Look like Demarco run some file, you know. File running a gun. So people, yeah man, I don't know. The next time we watch Jambisco, you're gonna smash now. Bang! The next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Come on.
Play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot selector.